Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to showcase some of the most innovative gadgets for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Whether you're gearing up for a camping trip, road tripping in style, or just looking for smarter ways to stay secure and comfortable outdoors, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be diving into incredible tools like the ND Security Alarm for peace of mind, the super efficient kitchen cruiser, and the versatile Awada Lunch Box. We'll also take a closer look at cutting-edge camping gear like the Bruder EXP-6, Posible Tent, and Zippo Firefast Bellows. And for those of you who love portable power and convenience, we'll highlight the AIDA 500-watt power station, IT Hill portable water filtration system, and Lithely Frozen Pack, along with the Hike Crew portable propane water heater to keep you warm wherever you go. So stick around to see how these gadgets can elevate your outdoor adventures. The Bruder EXP-6 is a game changer in the world of camping, designed for the ultimate off-road adventure. This luxurious expedition trailer combines rugged durability with modern comfort, making it perfect for those who crave the great outdoors without sacrificing convenience. The EXP-6 features a fully insulated body, a spacious interior with a convertible sleeping area, and a kitchen equipped with a sink, fridge, and ample storage. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride over rough terrain, while the integrated solar panel system keeps your devices charged. With the Bruder EXP-6, you can explore remote locations and enjoy the beauty of nature while having all the comforts of home right at your fingertips. Whether you're heading to the mountains or the beach, this innovative trailer makes every camping trip an unforgettable experience. The Awada Lunch Box is the ultimate camping companion for keeping your food fresh and organized while you're out in nature. Designed with an airtight leak-proof seal, this lunchbox ensures your meals stay safe from spills and external elements. Its durable BPA-free material is built to withstand rugged conditions, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. What sets the Awada Lunchbox apart is its built-in compartments and utensils, so you can neatly separate your food and enjoy a hassle-free meal wherever you are. Compact and easy to carry, it's the perfect solution for campers who want convenience and practicality on the go. The ND Security Alarm is a must-have for any camper looking for extra peace of mind. This compact and portable alarm is designed to keep your campsite safe by detecting motion and alerting you to any potential intruders. It features an easy setup with a built-in motion sensor that can cover a wide range around your tent or campsite. Once activated, it emits a loud, high-pitched alarm to scare off any unwanted visitors, whether it's animals or trespassers. With its lightweight design, you can pack it in your gear without adding any bulk, ensuring safety wherever you set up camp. Meet the Kitchen Cruiser, the ultimate portable cooking station for campers and outdoor adventurers. This compact kitchen on wheels features everything you need to prepare meals in the great outdoors. With a built-in gas stove, sink, and storage compartments for utensils and ingredients, it's designed for convenience and efficiency. The foldable work surface gives you plenty of space to prep food, and its durable, weather-resistant design ensures it can handle any camping conditions. Lightweight and easy to transport, the Kitchen Cruiser turns any campsite into a fully functional kitchen, making outdoor cooking a breeze. Introducing the Posible Tent, the ultimate camping invention designed specifically for pet owners. This innovative tent features a unique design that allows your furry friends to join you on your outdoor adventures comfortably and securely. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, the Posible Tent provides ample space for both you and your pet, with a separate compartment for your dog or cat to relax while you enjoy the great outdoors. Its easy setup and lightweight construction make it a breeze to carry on hiking trips or weekend getaways. Plus, the tent includes mesh windows for ventilation and visibility, ensuring your pet stays cool and connected to you. Whether you're in the backyard or deep in the wilderness, the Posible Tent makes camping a delightful experience for both you and your beloved pet. The Zippo Firefast Bellows is a revolutionary camping invention designed to enhance your outdoor experience. This innovative tool combines the classic Zippo lighter's reliability with an ingenious bellows design, allowing you to start a fire with minimal effort. Simply use the bellows to direct air into your kindling, significantly increasing oxygen flow and igniting your fire in seconds. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your backpack, while its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. Say goodbye to fumbling with matches or struggling with damp wood. The Zippo Firefast Bellows makes building a campfire quick and efficient, so you can focus on enjoying your time in nature. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying a backyard fire, this tool is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. That wraps up our look at some of the coolest and most useful gadgets for your next outdoor trip. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just love exploring, these tools are sure to make your journey safer, easier, and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below telling us which gadget you're most excited to try. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos and reviews, and don't miss out on our previous content for even more inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.